In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify Shopify website 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered which website address is actually connected to your Shopify store, or you simply want to confirm the live storefront your customers see, this walkthrough will make it clear. We'll move through your Shopify admin to find the store's primary domain and open it directly so you can verify what's live. First, go to Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in your browser and make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. It helps to double check the store name at the top of the dashboard so you know you're viewing the right account before you proceed. Next, click on Settings. You'll find this in the lower left corner of the admin, represented by a small gear icon. Settings is where you control the core of your store's configuration, and it's the fastest route to anything related to your store's URLs and connections. If your interface looks a bit different, that's okay. Shopify occasionally updates the layout, but the settings area will always be available from the main admin. From there, click on Domains. This section shows every domain connected to your store. Think of it as your storefront's address book. You might see a custom domain you purchased, like a .com you own, and you'll usually see a Shopify branded domain ending in myshopify.com as a fallback. This page also indicates which domain is set as the primary one. Now click on Primary. The primary domain is the main web address your customers are routed to. Selecting it lets you confirm exactly which URL is considered your store's official public entry point. If your brand uses a custom domain, this is where you'll see it designated. If you haven't set up a custom domain, the Shopify provided myshopify.com address will typically be listed as primary. Finally, click on View. This opens the primary domain in a new browser tab, showing you the live storefront as a customer would see it. This is the quickest way to verify that you're looking at the correct site. As it loads, take a moment to note the address in your browser's bar and confirm it matches the domain listed in your Shopify domains page. This simple check ensures you're identifying the right website, especially helpful if you maintain multiple domains or test environments. That's all you need to identify your Shopify website from within the admin. Go to Shopify, open Settings, head to Domains, select Primary, and view it live. If anything looks different in your admin, don't worry. Focus on finding settings and then domains, and the process will be the same.